winter's coming, and soon it will be harder for birds to find food. To help them, let's feed our fine feathered friends a fabulous feast.
Sweet thinking, Nature Cat. But we'll have to move quickly to keep the feeders filled. Let's do this.
Let's select a level to get started.
The blue jay. Look for blue jays around oak trees. They love acorns. Fill this hanging feeder with seeds to feed one bird at a time.
Onward and seedward!
We need to feed 3 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go!
First, we must get seeds for the feeder. Tap the seed bag to help Nature Cat fill his scoop with seeds. Oh yeah! Now tap the feeder to help him fill it.
Welcome, look! Here comes our first bird!
While a bird is feeding at this feeder, you can fill this feeder with seeds to feed more of our fine feathered friends. First, we must get seeds for the feeder. Tap the seed bag. Oh yeah! Now tap the feeder to help him fill it. You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Enjoy, enjoy!
You won another acorn!
Come and get it!
Wow! 3 acorns! Sweet job! You fed 8 birds! But here come more hungry birds!
Let's select a level to get started.
A new bird has arrived! The male cardinal! Look for cardinals along the edge of a forest and in backyards and fields. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Another new feeder! The bottle feeder uses seeds and can feed 2 birds at a time.
We're going to need that to feed all my hungry friends. Tally-ho!
We need to feed 4 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Come and get it!
Excellent! Feed 3 more birds to earn an acorn and get to the next level.
Enjoy, enjoy! Welcome, welcome!
You won another acorn! Wow! 3 acorns!
Come and get it!
Way to go! You fed 13 birds! But look, we've got more birds to feed.